tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. This is, wait, where is she? This is, Andy, wait, put your head up. She's sleeping. You have no idea how warm she is. She's so warm. You know what's so cute? I was sleeping, right? And she took all the covers, and I went next to her like that, and I hugged her and I squished her. She was so warm. I'm like, oh, you should have given the covers back. Mofo. Andy, hold till I guess. Ow! I heard that crap. Ew, you're disgusting bone. You're disgusting bone. No, she's a little skinny little thing. Hi. Say hi. Hi. No, look at her arms. What the fuck? She's fucking crazy. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Look at that number. Whose number is it? Whose number is it? Can't see. Oh, that's cool. Kind. So warm. She's so warm. You know what was funny? Me and Andy were like, I was trying to get on the bed and I fell off the bed and she started laughing. And I was seeing that she woke up. No, keep your arm there. She woke up.
Sorry.
You tired, little bunch. What the fuck?
No, shit, I'm like, so like, awake, you know.
Okay, fine, go to sleep. Ow! No.